intro thing, Ethan. Hi, welcome back to my cousin gameplay. Welcome to a new series on Pokemon Emerald.
Oh.
Yes, I'm joined by him.
Uh,
His name is What's His Face. He's also a member of Cousin Gameplay. His name is Caden. We're gonna just get right into this. Shut up. Shut up. And also, it's raining at my house. You're gonna see raining sounds and probably a fan in his room. So yeah, it's gonna be a horrible episode of background noise because I'm gonna be really loud and I'm gonna be talking like this. Also, some more Animal Crossing and stuff on my channel will be coming back. Just because I want to do some more Pokemon and Bad Thunder!
heard it.
Anyway, we're gonna talk to Birch thing. And yes,
He's a birch tree.
and today we're gonna be able to choose over boob or dong. My name? I can't fit Bobakin. Bobaki. We're gonna name him Noogle. His name is Noogle. So it's Noogle, yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You're Noogle, who's moving who's moving into my hometown of Little Root. I get it now. Alright, are you ready, Noogle? You look like a noodle, and I'm about to show you what noodles do. What? Take courage and leap. I'll be expecting you later. Come and see me in my Pokemon League.
I love noodles.
Noogle. Yes. We stop on our bus. So, Caden,
Yeah.
how are you doing today?
Good.
Glad you're doing good.
What are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good.
Noogle, we're here, honey. It must be tiring riding with our things in the moving truck. Well, this is Little Root Town. How do you like Thunder? And do you like it? It's our new home! No! Thunderous! Stop! Is my door closed?
Blame it on the Pokemon.
Oh wait, it's different Pokemon instead of Machokes and stuff. The movers Pokemon do all the work of moving us and the cleaning up after. So it's convincing. Noodle, your room is upstairs. Go check it out, dear. Dad bought you a new clock to mark our move here. Don't forget to set it. Okay.
Wow.
Who go? Where's my clock, baby? The clock is stopped. Better set it and start it. Well, I better enter the time. I just took a screenshot on my phone. It's 7:26. June 30th.
Screenshot.
I accidentally did.
Oh.
7:20. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. About there. Yes. It's 7:26. Noogle, how do you like your new room? Everything's put up here. I finished everything and downstairs, dude. Everything's okay over there. Thank you. I'm gonna go.
You gave the cube.
Hey, look, Noogle, quick. Look, it's Petalburg. My baby dad will be on. Well, Birch, you bad report. My Petalburg's gym is okay. It's over. The dad's over at the other house, so yeah, bye. Okay, I'm gonna go introduce myself.
You can just see that little guy just sitting there in the corner. He's staring at them. Oh.
And I'm the one that's recording.
What do you mean?
It's raining like cats and dogs outside. Why would I say that?
It was raining for me.
Hey, look, a free
It's
Pokemon.
over now.
Who are you? Oh, you're from Noogle. So you moved us today? Well, I'm me. Good to meet you. I have this dream of becoming friends with Pokemon all over the world. I heard about you, Noogle, from my dad, Professor Badge. I was hoping that you would be nice, Noogle, and that we could be friends. Oh, this is silly, isn't it? I've just met you, Noogle. Oh no, I forgot. I was supposed to go help Dad catch some wild picnic.
Yes, that's how it's
Noogle, I'll
supposed to
get you later. What are you talking about, Caden? It's me, spoke about. Better leave it right where it is. Okay, I'm not gonna just be a skank and take Pokemon. Also, your little sister's fat. Bye.
Your little sister's fat. Bye.
Hi! There's scary Pokemon outside. I can hear their cries. I want to go see what's going on, but I don't have any Pokemon. Can you go see what's happening for me? Help me! Help! A Radisson! It's Tom Nook! Tom Nook, it's Tom Nook! Oh my gosh, he's escaped! Tom Nook, he's here to pay off debt! Now! Tom Nook! I will save you. Mudkip. Torchic. What should we pick, Caden?
To Trico. Trico.
Trico!
Trico.
Tom Nook!
Tom Nook. If you ever catch a Zigzag Zoom, call him.
Well, yeah, he's gonna evolve later.
You have to do it.
What the heck is that?
I don't know. Little probably Madison.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Madison. Oh yeah, he's doing the animal control. I don't know, he's doing something, I guess.
He's doing something.
He's doing his vocal warm-ups. Chico got
Exactly.
13 XP. I was in the song. Thanks a lot, I was saying, hi, I'm Noogle, it's over there. Yes. So, Noogle, I've heard so much about you from your father. I've heard that you want something, and I didn't know what I could have done. Your father's blood in your veins, after all. Also, can I just have a Pokemon? Noogle received the Trico.
You don't deserve it.
We gotta name it.
Birch. Yeah, Birch. Since it's Trico. Yeah,
Why would we name it Birch? That's the exact same name as the professor.
exactly. Birch tree. If you can fit it.
I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. Hogan.
Perfect.
No. Hogan. Hogan Bob.
They should have said, I don't
Hogan.
use. And then it was like,
No, Hogan.
I don't use.
Hogan Bob
You
dot
should
dot
just
dot.
use.
Hogan Bob dot dot dot.
Right.
It's better. I think of random names because it's funny.
You heard that, didn't you?
So, Kaden, do you need to talk, or do you have anything interesting that you'd like to talk about?
I will be making videos soon, though.
Oh yeah.
That's one thing. Like, very soon.
Pikmin. It's
Pigman.
a wormhole.
Yeah, it's a word. I always said Caterpie on
Hogan Bob. Hogan Bob.
It's really, really quiet.
No, it's not. We apologize for the very economical noises going on in the background.
Madison! It's still doing it.
Jeez! My chair shook with that thunder.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez. I'll be right back.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
This is the third video that someone has left me alone to play a game. Learn to absorb, because Hogan Boat loves to absorb. Let's see, the Pokemon I found on Route 103 include... Oh, hi, Noogle! Oh, hi, Noogle! You already see my dad gave you a Pokemon as a gift. Since we're here, let's have a quick battle. I'll give you a taste of what being a trainer is like. Crazy good music is good because it's music and there's boom. Also, this thing is pooping out a twig. Also, the thunder is bad. Why would I use absorb on this fire type? Chicken is pooping out a twig. Or maybe that's its other foot. I don't know. Excuse me. We got Hogan Bub. I think I know what my dad has an eye for. I think he just got that Pokemon, but it's already like you. You befriend the kind of Pokemon when it's time to head back to the lab. Well, I'm still alone, guys. I'll go over here. There's the carry home.
Madison! Heard you. Adam!
It's a little bit. Oh my gosh, there's more people coming.
Is this what I have to do? Oh, you're fine.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Inside? Yeah, is this what you...
What?
Shut up!
What?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. I've heard everything.
You did?
Yep.
How?
Oh, you'll have to watch. Oh, what the? Yes, I got a Pokedex. Yay, I got Pokeballs. Also, your voice is very quiet.
Is it?
Yes, now it's better. Yay! Pokemon to capture.
Now can you hear me good?
Yeah, I can hear you pretty well, but you're still pretty quiet.
Well, now!
You're great!
Okay.
Yep. Yep. Yep, we got. Okay. The noise.
What?
None. Okay, bye, Mom! Next time on Cousin Gameplay. Next time on Cousin Gameplay. Yeah. Kaden, if you're saying anything, I can't hear a thing you're saying.
Oh, you can't hear me?
Oh, you're quiet as crap.
Okay, I just adjust my mic. Okay, how about now?
Okay, next time on Cousin Gameplay. Bye!
Bye.